Welcome back to the Château Route project. It's been a while since we haven't posted anything, and get prepared, we are back with a big program to come that we are very excited to unveil. Spoiler alert, we are in a chateau that we took over just 2 months ago.
For all the new viewers who discovered this channel, and because it's been a long time that you may have forgotten us, quick introduction. My name is Roman.
And mine is Minson. Since 2023, we run the Château Route project. Last year, we traveled all around France with our 50-year-old caravan to deepen our knowledge about best practices in heritage building management. During this trip, we've met amazing owners, we discovered incredible places, and as architects and heritage building specialists, we visit several vacant properties with a precise methodology in mind, built according to a thesis about this topic I published 2 years ago. While we were exploring our own beautiful country, we had a small problem on the rear suspension of our youngtimer car in August 2023. From the west coast to the French Alps, no mechanics had the time or wanted to work on our British old lady except one in Sainte-Sévère-sur-Indre. This was the opportunity for us to stop in this unknown and unexplored region of France. There we visit a chateau that has been for sale for a while on the local platform Le Bon Coin.
Few days after our arrival, a good part of the village already knew that we were here and we were interested by visiting the chateau. It was abandoned for 8 years now. They were curious about the concept we've developed with the Château Route project, and the local administration came to us to explain how difficult it was to find the right new owner for this chateau located in the heart of the village. Listed for sale by a religious congregation who exploited it as a collective senior house that hosted up to 30 residents. This place must have needed a big transformation to be used as a private chateau for a single family.
And when you include the transformation cost to the price of it, there are other castles on the market with bigger lands in more adapted scales and configurations to do so. Considering the long distance from the highway from a big city, all of that could be an explanation of the difficulty of selling it. Also, we have learned that people of the village were afraid to see the gates of this castle closed for good. A lot of them have great memories in it. Some of them had their childhood on the park, while others were used to visit their elderly residents here or just walking around the castle freely. Taking all of this into consideration and the fact that we absolutely love the architecture, its potential, and the relation between the chateau and the village, after our visit we worked with the local administration on a plan for the castle that would offer great perspective for the village and also be sustainable, including for us.
So, here we are. 2 seasons after our third visit, we finally bought this incredible place in collaboration with the city. We have found a solution that doesn't impact the municipality, but help us to reduce our bank interest and making the following program for the castle possible. First of all, we'll take care of this place, taking it away from decay by simply fixing the leaks, cleaning it, and having a constant eye and monitoring by living on site.
From now and for the days to come, we open the park to the public. This was something we really wanted from the beginning, making heritage architecture and culture accessible. Inhabitants of the village, residents of the nursing home that are our neighbors, visitors and tourists will finally have something new to see in this incredibly beautiful village. So since we got the keys, hard work has been made out there to welcome visitors safely. For the next season, we hope to get the ground floor living rooms ready for hosting private and public cultural events all year long. To do so, we'll need to scrape off the falling paint, fixing the doors and floors, and get electricity and water in it. All of this costs a lot of money. So we already listed an Airbnb room in our private part and camping spots on the garden for the people who love heritage architecture and adventure. We also can count on the help of the local associations, our partners, and our friends who can't wait to make this place great again.
If you're interested in helping us in this adventure through a collaboration or a partnership, please contact us through our website, chateauroute.com. We'll look for any people, companies, organizations, or even manufacturers that want to highlight their know-how through an innovative cultural and heritage preservation project.
Finally, we plan to renovate little by little the rooms of the chateau in order to give to the region a new amazing place to stay for vacation, for residences, for seminaries, weddings and all other special events life can bring to you. All of this will be in accordance with our desire to innovate as architects, trying special techniques and tools and sharing it with you guys.
This will be a long but a great story that just begins. And we are glad to share with you on this channel, so don't forget to follow us and subscribe to this channel to see the next episode of the Château Route project in Château de Sainte-Sévère.